Get noticed in this 2007 Mercedes-Benz
Trial.
E-Class. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Treat yourself to the
Trial.
splendor of a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Plus,
Trial.
enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise
Trial.
control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors, an alarm system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front
Trial.
ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat
Trial.
today. Call or click to contact us.